So Alvin Jr. is just in the washing machine. He's getting washed, and I kind of feel bad for him. Look, he's spinning in there with. That's just sad. Be safe, Alvin. Be safe. Oh, he's spinning. Hopefully he won't rip or nothing. That would be very sad. And the other elves will be sad about it as well. Oh, that's just sad. Hopefully he'll be okay. Because, I have fear over stuffed animals getting washed. Because, this happened before and they got ripped. So, hopefully he won't rip on me. So, yeah. Be safe, Alvin Jr.